New Year! So this will be the only budgeting video you will need to see at the beginning of the year. I am going to share planners. I'm going to share digital planners. I'm going to show printable items. I'm going to show you everything you need to have your budget ready for 2025. Let's jump in.
This is the Life Daily Planner. I am going to start using this every single day. As you can see, you have all of these different indexes of a yearly calendar, a daily planner, weekly paper templates, the bonus pages, monthly overview, and monthly budget. So for me, this is my absolute favorite. Tap here. So here goes my monthly budget. And when you go to one of these tabs on the side, where you're going to see the dates, if we just go to April, then we're going to be able to go in April and see everything that we need for April. And then we're going to our budget. Then we'll just click there, and this will be our monthly budget for April. So you are able to go in and see your daily planner, which is here, your weekly planner, which is here, and you will be able to just keep up with everything that you need. As I said, this comes in a beautiful silver as well, so I'll show you that. But this is something that I will be using every single day to just keep up with life in general, but also to keep up with my actual budgets. And this is what the silver looks like. How cute is this? And of course, the same frame and outlook. And just know that these are on sale. They're on sale for the first 10 days of January, and they are completely half off. Regular price, I think, is $14.99. So if you can get it for $7, then I say jump on it. And here, these are the savings challenges that I will be using this year. Now, I probably won't use each and every one of them, but I am going to be using many of them. My savings did not go as planned for last year, but that was because I was throwing every additional dime that I had on my student loans. So I am going to still do that, but I am definitely going to do more savings. So as you can see, it's even up to $90, which would be $4,500 for the year. So I want to do at least 3 of these. Not sure which ones I'm going to be doing right now, but these are going to be so good for us, me and my son. And here goes some cash envelope inserts as well. So these are going to be available for sale as well. So you will get that. Then you have more of these challenges. So if you're a person, like a lot of people, if you know your set goal of what you need saved, this information is here. Then down here, we have Christmas and rainy day and emergency funds. Also, these are in this package as well. So these are your envelopes for you to be able to cash stuff in. Cash stuffing is what I do, and it completely changed the way I spend money. When my money is gone out of my envelope, I cannot do anything else. Like, purchasing is completely done. So plenty of these are in here. You know, these are things that, here go some blank ones as well. But if you come on down, you're going to see Easter, you're going to see Christmas, you're going to see groceries. So you can always just go in here, print these off. All of these are printables, of course. But after you go in here and you print all of this off, then you are able to go in and do all of the savings and the budgeting and the tracking of your money that you need. Last but not least, this is the budget life. So the budget life is actually nothing but budgeting. And so here goes your income tracker, expense trackers, bills, debt tracker. Down here you have your budget breakdowns, and then you could just decide how you want to actually do this. More savings challenges are going to be included in here. Again, all of this is actually hyperlinked, so you will be able to go in here and maneuver around with just a click. But I want to show you, so you have like the year in a glance, and you're able to break down your income, total expenses, debts, and savings throughout the year, your saving goals and the amounts, and your debt reduction goals. So this right here, if you are a true budgeter, you are definitely going to appreciate this, because you are able to go in here with your income and your expenses by the month. For every month of the year, like, and here's your yearly results, your financial goals. I mean, you are definitely going to go places if you have this. Here goes your wish list. So if you just get to the point where you just like, okay, I just need to see my savings challenges right here. Here we go. Here goes our savings challenges. Our no spend month. Are we going to do that this month? Are we going to do this in February? Like, you know, where are we going? What are we doing? The 100 envelope challenge. If we just want to go to February. So here we go with February and our budget for February. Again, this one is also on sale. I think everything is going to be less than $10 on the site right now. So I would definitely get over there. And again, this is to the 10th of this month that this is going to be on sale. Get it now so you can start budgeting now. There's also, let me pull this up for you.